Yo, so today is the first episode of Sneaker Grills. I should have had this one right here in the collection a very long time ago. I just waited to buy it. I don't know what's going on in my head, but this is one of them ones you gotta have. This is something I've wanted for years to come, and now we finally have them back in the collection. Let's get into the first episode of Sneaker Grills, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to today's video. You already know what we're here for. We gotta show you guys a Grail sneaker that I finally added back to the collection. I actually had it in the collection at one point in time, sold it. I sold a lot of shoes like a couple years ago, and now we finally have them back. One of them ones, you know what I'm saying, you just have to have in the collection. This is my personal opinion, and this is probably one of the best of this silhouette of all time, in my opinion. You guys are going to see it. So if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. We got a couple more episodes already lined up for Sneaker Grills, so I want you guys to tune in, tap in, and see what your boy's adding to the collection, you know what I'm saying. And make sure you guys go tap into the clothing brand. This is one of the hoodies we have available right now. I will never quit on my dreams, a part of the never quit capsule, so make sure you go tap in. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Shop NOIR, and you can actually save 10% on your first order using the code NOIR. I'm gonna tag it right here and down below in the description box. So I appreciate everybody's been, you know, saying shopping with your boy so far. A lot of orders have been coming in, and I just want to give you guys a huge thank you for supporting the clothing brand. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the package. Shout out to the lovely GOAT, and I know I've been saying it for so long, especially if you've been, you know, one of the OGs on the channel. You probably tired of me shouting out the GOAT because they helped your boy out, you know what I'm saying. I lived in Germany at one point in time, and they was only one of those third-party apps, like, you know, you got GOAT, StockX, eBay. They was the only ones that shipped overseas to where I lived at in Germany without, you know, paying those crazy custom fees or anything like that. So I always got to give my credit where credit's due. GOAT, it legit, man. I really mess with Go heavy, and I got this grill from the GOAT app. It was only right to start the first episode of Sneaker Grills with the lovely GOAT app, and let's go ahead and get into them. Yes sir, man. Like I said, I had these in a collection at one point in time. I had them in the collection, you feel me, but I sold them. I had to let a lot of shoes go. But this is the one I said, yo, this is the first thing I'm getting back in the collection. And these gotta stay, bro. Shouts out to the GOAT app for plugging me in. We're going to go ahead and check the box out. You got the hardwood all around. And if you guys have not skipped yet, if you haven't skipped, what you guys think that I grabbed without me reading the official colorway or size tag? What y'all think these bad boys is? Crazy box. So let's go ahead and jump into it, man. No more waiting. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. This is the Grail Series, you feel me? Number 1. So Air Jordan 5 Retro Varsity Red, Black, and White. Got these things in the size 9. And Air Jordan 5s typically don't get a lot of love. It's always like the 1s, the 3s, the 4s. The 5s don't get that much attention. And let's go ahead and check them out. We got them, bro. Hold on. They back. And check them out. Bam, man, we have Air Jordan 5 Raging Bulls, man. These things right here is so beautiful. Oh no, I can't believe I sold these. Hold on. Of course, you got the little GOAT sticker or whatever. I got too many of them. And yes, man, finally, it was only right, bro. It was only right that I finally had grabbed them again, because I paid $330 for these Air Jordan 5 Raging Bulls. I did not think that the resale would go up as much as I did, because when I sold these, 2 years ago, I sold them for like $150. I sold them for $150 DS, like DS, and I had to pay double the price now. And that's why I said it was about time for me to grab them, because the price was steadily rising. It was steadily increasing. And I swear, like last month when I checked it back in December, I was like, you know what, let me get a grill for this series that I wanted to introduce. And it was going for like $250, $260. Now they was going for $300 and something. I paid like $330 altogether out the gate. But man, $330 for a pair of Raging Bull 5s that were sitting everywhere. They was sitting on the sneakers app. They was widely available. So now you know saying, you go back, you check out some of the pairs that you said, you know, you're gonna get later, and now you see that price steadily increasing. That's why I got like a list of grills that I want. Like I literally have a list of grills. I kind of want the do a video talking about that, but I was like, what better way to do it than to actually grab these pairs for the collection and unbox them for you guys. And that's why it's super dope that I'm doing this and actually giving me a chance to let you guys know what I really like, what I really want in the collection. And nobody would probably think that I paid over $300 for the Raging Bull 5s, because they were sitting at once upon a time, and they released back in 2020. And we finally got them back in the collection today. I don't know what it is about these Raging Bulls, but man, that red just go crazy. It's popping. And later on this year, it is a pair of Air Jordan 6. I don't know if they're calling the Raging Bulls. They might be calling it the Toro Bravo, because, you know, Toro Bravo 4s came out. But there's another pair of Air Jordan 6s that pretty much is a predominantly red upper with the black midsole. But they killed it with this release right here, man. That translucent outsole, man. Oh my God, man. Shouts out to the Gold app. I am super excited, because even though I might not wear these a lot, I might not pull them out the collection that many times, but just to have the Raging Bulls back in the collection feels good, because growing up, I've seen people have these, you know what I'm saying, that red was just busting, going crazy, and I said, I need to have them back in the collection. I regret selling it ever since I did. I said, I know I'm gonna regret it. And I actually did regret it, because I paid over $300 for a pair of shoes I sold for $150 when I sold about 40-50 pairs of sneakers out of my collection, man. Well, would have been super crazy if they would have threw a Nike Air on the back, but you just got your regular black Jumpman. You got a 3M like kind of reflective tongue with your black Jumpman up there. Of course, you got your regular pacifier, and these things is just beautiful, man. 2-3 on the side. We can't forget about the 2-3, you know what I'm saying? 2-3 on the side. Super dope, man. I'm glad that I finally have them. I know y'all see me, I'm just talking, I'm just rambling, because man, they probably gonna be sitting up there, you know what I'm saying, so I can check them out every time I come into the sneaker room, because these things right here was definitely needed back in the collection. I'm excited. You guys let me know down below in the comment section if you have these in your collection right now, or is this on one of your grails lists. So I challenge everybody right now down below in the comment section to let me know, what are some of your grails? Like, what's your top 5 grail sneakers that you want to go back and get? I feel like January and February, there isn't a lot of crazy releases to go after. Of course, you got the Air Jordan 13 playoffs. You got the Air Jordan 2 Lucky Greens. That might be on a lot of people's radars. But other than that, it's not a lot of stuff dropping. So let me know down below in the comment section what you might add for January and February. I know it's a couple of sneakers that you missed out on back in the day. So please drop those comments down below. I am very interested in knowing. You might have some similar grails, because I sold a lot of shoes and it's time to add them back to the collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of Sneaker Grails, man. Like I said in the intro, make sure you guys go check out NOIR clothing, man. We have the hoodies available, and we have the craziest bomber jackets there is out right now. Like, literally the best bomber jackets. I'm gonna put a little B-roll shot of me rocking it. Super dope, super crazy. I love it, and a lot of people's actually loving it as well. So make sure you guys go tap in, copy a bomber jacket, copy some hoodies, copy some beanies, support the brand. It'd be greatly appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell, especially if you want to see another episode of Sneaker Grails. The next thing y'all see, y'all gonna be like, ain't no way he got them, but I had to grab them. I can't wait to show you guys the next episode of Sneaker Grails, man. Leave a huge like on today's video. Let's get this up to 1,000 likes. I'd be greatly appreciated. It only takes a half a second to hit that like button, so make sure y'all spam them likes up right now and spam the comments down below. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.